this person.
There's right there in the pushing out.
Hostile UAV overhead.
Someone clean this place out.
Enemy movement.
Use your counter! I'm hit!
Good shit, Iris. Nice. GG's. A bot killed him.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Okay, where can I go?
I don't know, you're kind of fucked. In zone, the only buy is right here.
What about over here?
Got
You
a
gotta-
buy station here.
Yeah, that's a good one. I think. You got people on that UTV pushing into a stronghold. And you got people outside his zone too, heading toward that black psyche. Full 3. So I would say that one outside. I wouldn't even do that one.
The one to the right or left?
The one on the right. I unpinned that other one. So your ping. One by the most on it. There's a whole lot of people that showed up for.
Gas
We're on
is closing in.
stronghold.
Wow, yeah, there are.
Hostile UAV in this sector.
UAV out. Cool,
Yeah.
that's the guy.
I would wrap it, flank that island. Just ping. That looked like a solo, you're scared.
Yep. How much money do you have?
Fuck. I had a good amount. I was collecting a ton of cash when I was running around.
Hostile UAV overhead.
Enough that when we split. Okay. Yeah, I got enough. I'm dropping straight down.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you still have loadies? Mind if I got a gun? Or have you drop cash for a gun?
Which one? Yeah.
Fuck you got a gun.
Back over here, back up.
Attention, cancel last.
Okay.
Money on the ground.
Cash here.
Gas is closing in.
Okay, you chasing?
Relocating the safe zone. 50 remain
No,
in
he
the
took
AO.
it. You cocksucker.
Enemy soldier
No.
incoming.
God damn it.
Guy coming in.
Enemy dropping. Yep. On me. On my body. Straight. Yeah, you just ran right past me. Inside.
Enemy movement.
Yep. Nice. Shit.
I got you.
Absolute. Thank you.
You make it.
Get us those perks.
Queen, good
Yeah,
move.
I'll go. This fucking cocksucker.
I just bought again.
Whatever. Alright. Just went out
No water.
Yep.
Be advised, you have teammates outside
Got
the
any
safe
AR
zone.
to spare? He's getting shot at.
Moving.
Bosnia,
Yeah, well
hostiles
placed, though.
deploy the counter UAV. Shooting here.
That'll be nice. Hey man, can you drop some AR please?
Astro, you got an AR for him? Here. Tyler. Thanks too.
Yeah,
Got armor here.
thank you. Oh, that's shotgun! Oh my fucking god.
Dropping some up. We got an armor bomb. box
Stay
here.
firm.
We're in here.
Attacking at this location.
Yes, we are.
Just chill here.
Like that, yeah.
Hostile UAV in this sector.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
That was him.
25
Oh,
remaining.
shit.
We go to that island. That kinda sucks. We gotta make it to like
Moving
there,
here.
honestly.
Yeah, where the guy is.
Moving here. Info. Stay firm.
There is a guy out there. I did see him on that
On
island.
this little island here.
Not the one where we're at right now. The one past. Yeah, yellow ping. Right there, right there.
Yeah, baby. Yep.
Advise you move to the safe zone now.
Two there.
Yeah. 3?
Wait, I need money. Moving here.
I just jumped.
Need mid-cal rounds.
Do they all jump?
Yeah, they're in the water right now. I don't have a pistol.
I see him, I see him.
Hostiles deploying the bomb drone.
Bomb drone.
On the right.
Bomb drone. I don't know.
Oh, bullshit.
Did you get him? They trade? Oh, fucking Christ.
We can be in here. Here's a really good spot.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Right
Jesus.
here. Right here.
Yeah, hang on. I gotta wrap the whole island.
Only 10 are left. You've got gas
So-
inbound.
Perfect.
There was
Safe
someone
zone
Then
who
you
just
give
got
me
killed.
a hit marker
We gotta
for
get
that
some.
bomb drone.
Alright, I'm risking it.
You can still stay in here.
Mm.
Plates or anything? I got tons. Here,
No,
Tyler.
same-
Here.
I got like
Hang on, I got
anything AR.
Oh, any AR. Sorry.
It's fine, it's fine. I didn't even fucking shoot that. Where did you get killed from?
The snipes from the right.
Okay.
You've got gas moving in.
We're chilling here. Though.
Yeah.
Head to the safe zone now.
We're not in. We're not in a bad spot either because we can still shoot.
Enemy visual.
It's hurt.
There's only two other teams. That's one of them.
Okay. I gotta
Made
jump.
it to the top
I'm
5.
in a good
Good
spot.
work.
He's peeking, he's peeking. Watch out. One's right here. Sit water. They're gonna fight, they're gonna fight.
Yep.
Ready. And shot it.
I don't have
Hostile
any
mortar
problem.
strike in the area.
Yeah, I don't either.
Let's move forward.
One's got a sniper scope on us, yeah.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Ooh, bad pull for us. Alright, 2v3 Ivers.
Gas is closing. Advise you move to the safe zone now.
Oh, one's cracked, one's down. Absolute, this guy.
It's all up to you now.
They're all 3 there. That one's full shield, the other one's backed out.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. Gas is moving.
Oh, I killed one.
Yeah. Got dump.
What? Come on! I tried to
5
surface
remain.
18
He
fucking
fisted?
times.
Oh, good try, man.
Oh, I kept trying to surface. It wouldn't let me shoot.
Yeah, that's annoying.
I had him. He didn't know where I was. I could have killed him.
Oh, yeah. In a 1v1. I didn't know where the other one went. Couldn't see him at all.
Yeah, but at least I would have had his chance. What the fuck?
I thought he fisted you.
No,
Hey, second
I
place
drowned.
though. Second place though on a rough fucking game. It's
Yeah.
pretty damn good. Can't complain too much about that.
Oh.
8-5. Alright.
Alright, I should probably sign off.
Yeah, not one more?